Okay, so hey guys, again because the last time we had to have internet connection to do this. But yeah, what's this?
Because as soon as we got out of our house door.
I'll leave that one open. Get some air in.
As soon as we left our house door, there was no connection. It's magical. We're gonna pause it when we're feeding the ducks. We're gonna pause it when.
Look, guys, I can't do it. Look, I watched this YouTube video like previous. I can't remember. There you guys at this. I can't even do a whip. Got tail whip. I know how to do it. You go like that and go.
When we're feeding ducks, I'm going around the pond. It's gonna be paused in the car.
I think what you have to do.
Hide it in the boot.
I think you have to go like this, guys.
Or we can always hide it on the seat.
No, put it in the boot. Come on then, Jakes.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what we haven't done.
What?
Suntan lotion.
Need it.
You do need it.
I do need it.
Come on.
Look at the jump.
So guys, got suntan lotion.
No, you don't need it.
I need it.
I'm not putting it on.
No, I want it on.
No, baby, come on.
Okay.
You're alright.
No,
What about you about skin cancer as well?
I already have.
Jacob, you hold this. Down.
Guys, I have life cancer.
Jacob, don't even joke.
Sorry. The car has Kaza. Kaza. Look at the front of a car.
Our car is actually a Fiat.
No, it isn't. That's Bo's Legoland driving license, which we're going to get copyrighted for.
How? It's mine.
It said Legoland. Oh, guys, my shorts are
That's
so...
me. That's me in 2016.
That was 2015.
16.
Hey, guys, you want to see
No,
something?
look, it said issues 2016.
Yeah. Guys, look at this.
Broken skulls.
So, there's this Rate Your Own Adventure Stories book. And I've done...
If it goes, that means...
Hey, boy. I know.
Oh no, I just...
Sniper.
Jacob. I see.
Sniper. Look at it. It's a sniper. It's like a sniper thing. Don't know how many times it's a sniper, but okay. Turn it off otherwise I'll get copyrighted. Okay, so sorry about that.
What did you say that? What will happen?
Oh, you'll get banned off YouTube.
What, so right, yeah,
What's on the radio in the background?
Okay, so
I put music on in the
Look.
background.
look, this. I named it the way Bob's brother died. Oh, then they won't be able to hear me. No, they won't. I have to talk like this then. Yeah, this is my handwriting. It's not that neat. I can do neater. Something like the car. I haven't done the shop exactly yet. 5. It was I can't spell deluxe. I put deluxe. Is it? I haven't even got my pen. Searching for it. Get it, I can't reach it. There's a pencil. I got a pencil. Ah! Okay, guys. I got a pencil. I wrote it with my right hand. So,
Try to down.
add the E. There you go. Deluxe. Yeah, I found this pencil at school. And then just took it and got rub
I
on
did that. I still want to use pencils. It was on the table.
Yeah, but look what funny it is, guys.
Can you see the camera?
You can. Yeah, okay.
No, you can't.
You're on YouTube. But yeah, so here's a car. Okay, I need to zoom out. I'm like zoomed in. Look how far down those cars are. I'm not showing you the number plates. It's blurry anyway. Car. Yeah, you can barely see it anyway. I can't shoot the number plates with the cars going by. Why not? Because I don't actually know, but look on there. Yeah, people might be people might be murderers, so that's why I do it. So Bailey, here's, I'll pass the camera to you, but don't turn it off. So, no, I'm not allowed to look down. Just look that way. You're not looking down. So, look at the outside. We're not going there. No. We're going to a pond.
You take it.
It's not a pond. So,
That's no pond.
that's a dog.
That's the park. This is Emsworth.
Yeah.
This is where we used to get our haircut. But we don't go to.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to a bridge. Yeah, Bailey's.
I remember when the lorry got stuck here.
Yeah, Bailey's iPad is amazing for focusing. Like, bro, look how easy that is at focusing.
Look what I'm wearing.
He's wearing his mum's thing. He's wearing his mum's thing, that isn't he?
Sorry?
He's wearing Gain for Life's mum's things, which is you, mum.
Oh yeah, he is.
Yeah.
Jay and the bee.
Yeah.
I wonder what they're for.
Yeah, come Bailey, maybe. I kind of zoomed in into the mirror now so I can kind of see you. Yeah. There you go.
We're gonna go to Aunt Heidi's cake shop, but you won't see any of that.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we will. Go and get a sausage roll from there. I need to go to the bank first.
But I wanted ice cream.
Yeah, you can have one of those as well.
Ooh.
If you scoot it really nicely,
Yeah.
like you do on the way home, then we'll have that too. We need to go into there first.
Okay.
Bank, then to find these to get you a bit of sausage roll or something like that.
I don't want a sausage roll.
What did you want for lunch then?
Sausage roll. Bigfoot path. Wait, it's Bridgefoot.
That's the pond.
Here we are.
Yeah, we're going to walk around there, but we need to go to
No, I want to go to the other one.
what other one?
The one near the ice cream shop.
Oh yeah, that's
That is the one. It goes down there.
I'm going to walk around it with a scooter around it.
Bailey's going to be recording while we're feeding the ducks. We once fed the ducks.
We're pausing it.
Okay, we're pausing it while feeding the ducks. It's
No,
crazy.
we're not taking it out.
Okay, so it's just a little vlog.
No, we're going to pause it. And then when we go to Asda, after, to get treat for tomorrow,
But yeah,
that we're going to unpause and then we're going to take it to Asda.
yeah, guys, we're telling you what we're gonna do. Black out. Oh, look, don't judge me challenge.
Don't judge me challenge.
Don't judge me challenge with my feet. Ugly feet. Aww. Yeah, I don't watch them. I just Oh, come on! Guys, it is a Friday. I'm off school.
There!
So,
There, Mum.
what these people don't know is that they're on YouTube. They're on YouTube. They're on YouTube. They're on YouTube now.
Oh, he looks at you.
That guy
Like
looked.
he was going to kill you.
Did you see, guys? Yup, you did. He looked back at me and I was like,
You're on YouTube.
I can't say me.
What is this double yellow?
Yeah, guys, it's probably gonna get annoying. And we are parking. And
Oh, the space.
We're gonna get our scooters out and then I'm gonna put this back in the car because we found a space outside the house. Number 6. This is our house here. Oh, guys, near our school, there's this house with 666 on its number. No one lives in there, and like once we had these screams coming from there, like bruh, and there was Bloody Mary and the devil. Okay, so guys, if you come with me, I'll show you.
Pause it and we're gonna put it in the
No,
boot.
yeah, don't pause that yet. Okay, so let's go.
You won't know it's taking that long.
You can see us getting the scooters out though, because that's loud. So guys, we're getting our scooters out.
That red one shakes.
Ow. Tell me in the comments, guys, of what type of scooter this is, because
Right, we're gonna pause it now. Bye.